V200 mechanical meters is also one of the solutions that we always encounter out in the field. There's a couple of reasons why we use V200 mechanical, and I won't dwell with that. So what I'm going to share with you is how to install the PR6 on a V200 mechanical meter. So first and foremost, you have to take a photo of the meter read, the initial meter read of the V200 mechanical meter, and the meter serial number. Why do you need to take a photo of the initial meter read? Because the PR6 will obscure your view of the meter read. So once you've finished taking a photo of the initial meter read and the meter serial number, you can proceed to installing the PR6. That's a PR6. There's an E and then there's a notch. So you just put the E under the notch. Make sure it's tight. By the way, there's a black switch at the bottom of the pulsar. You have to make sure that that is properly secured or flush to the screen of the V200 mechanical meter. That is one of the things that we need to ensure when installing this PR6. So put the E under the notch, and then secure the meter with 2 screws on the side. It will be a bit hard, but you have to make sure that you have installed it properly and tightly. That's 1 screw in, and let's go for the second screw. So once that's secured, you have to put the blue tamper-proof devices that comes with this, and you have to push it in. Once you push it in, the only way you'll take it out is you'll break it. This is for your protection, to know if someone has tampered with your device. So after it's pushed in, you have to take a photo of how the PR6 is installed. Is it flush to the meter face? So we recommend you take a photo from this side, showing the gap between the pulsar and the meter face, and from this side as well. If you want, you can also take a photo from this side, just an additional photo for your reference in the future. Once you've done that, you now have to swipe the AMR that's attached to the PR6 or to the pulsar. In this case, we have an ADC. So we will swipe it with a magnet across the barcode, and you will see that we're now getting 2 transmissions out of 5, 3, 4, and 5. And you can see we have received transmissions from negative 81.4 to negative 138.4. Taggle recommends the reception level should be from negative 130 up to as high as negative whatever. If you don't want to use the numbers, just use the color codes. I suggest you always look until only the orange part, not the red part, just this side. So all the green up to this side here is good.